Hello, everyone. Today I have a call with a gentleman from Iraq, and he has some questions about his eBay store. And he has an interesting case because he wants to work with his uncle, who's in another country, so in Germany. So we're going to go through what he should do and some of the implications and some advice there. So I think it's a good call, and I think you'll get a lot out of it. Let's get to it.
Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too
Hello,
turned
Zane. How
up.
are you? How's it going?
Haven't done my
I'm doing
taxes,
fine. How are you? And thanks for having me today.
No, I'm doing great. Thanks for showing up. I'm looking
Yeah,
forward to speaking a little bit, learning about your business and what you're doing, and hopefully helping you out with some U.S. tax questions.
yeah. Thanks for that.
So I guess
So
you can start by telling me a little bit about where are you calling from, first of all?
okay. So I'm calling from Iraq.
Okay, awesome. So
Yes, and the business model.
yeah, what's your business model like?
Okay, the business model I've been, I've decided to pursue is called drop shipping, and specifically on eBay drop shipping.
eBay dropshipping. Okay.
So I would like go to another supplier, which in most cases is a US based supplier, and then list the products for sale. And whenever the product sells, I'll ship it out to the customer. And I've been in this game for about a few months now.
How's it going? You making money?
Actually, not. You know, I'm not like I'm still building this business model.
Yeah, I mean, it's obviously I've heard of some people doing eBay drop shipping pretty successfully, but
Yeah.
the Facebook drop shipping is more ad competitive, but eBay drop shipping is more price and like how you write it.
Yes,
Right?
exactly. Pretty much.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes, exactly. So I've been trying to as well register my business in the United States so that I could access all of the I could access a PayPal account to receive the payments, and it's just more legit and clean way to do so.
Of course.
Yes, and my I have like a few general questions I hope you could answer. So I'm actually planning to register this business under one of my relatives who was living in Germany. For instance, the LLC and the EIN, the registered agent, that would be under him.
Okay.
Yeah. And the reason why I'm doing that, the reason why I'm not doing it under my name is because in my country there are some restrictions to do such activity. So I've
Okay. I
decided
mean, in
to.
Germany too, if you use a relative's name who lives in Germany, technically, if he's making money, he should pick it up in Germany, but he's not doing any of the work. So I guess it's a little like a complicated little circular way you're doing it. It might work fine.
You can say it like it's basically his business, but I'm just helping him with it as an employee.
Yeah, but
So
is he aware of it? Is he like investing in it? Does he know what's going on?
yeah,
Yeah, okay.
yeah, for sure. I've talked to him and you know got his permission to do so.
Cool.
That's for sure. And so let's dive into my questions if you don't mind, Jim.
What's your
Hello.
question? Yeah.
Okay, so as we said, I'm registering my business in the United States under my relative who was living in Germany. Now, after I created the merchant account, which is PayPal, for receiving the payments and um, for the business itself, how will account and file the taxes? Will I have to do it for both Germany and United States, or does it all have to be perhaps Germany?
Well, there's forms you have to file in the United States, to have a single member LLC, Form 5472, and then also in Germany, sure, this person has to pick up. It's technically its income is in their name and it flows to them personally, and I think they would be required to pick it up in Germany. It's interesting because they do zero work, but they're technically
Yeah.
the owner of the account, and I think this person would probably be required technically to pick it up in Germany. Will German government ever know about it? Probably not. Um, but they
Yes.
probably required to pick it up.
Okay. Okay. Yes. Thanks for the answer. So, basically all he have to worry about is, filing and accounting the taxes to Germany.
And in the United States, there's tax forms to file. There's no taxes to pay, but there's forms to
Yeah,
file.
tax forms and the fees that regarding the LLC and things like that.
Sure. Yes.
Yes. So he would have to get in touch with an accountant, a certified accountant, and from there, the accountant would handle all of those tax situations.
In Germany, yeah, you should have an accountant in Germany that he talks to, and some kind of advisor.
Yes. Yes, I see. So, and again, I don't have to worry, about income tax related to the United States because I don't really have like any employees or dependent agent or an actual business.
Yes, that's how I would understand it. Yes.
Okay, I see. I see. So, yes. Now, what if receiving the money, the income, is through PayPal, and PayPal is known to send you out a form when you reach a certain threshold of income, and basically they will report your income to the IRS.
Yeah, they report the sales transactions to the IRS. Sure.
Yes, and do I have to file this
You have to
form
file. You have to file
as well?
Form 5472 and report the sales not the sales transactions. We have to file that report.
Oh, okay.
And
What if they?
it's more about related party transactions.
Yes. What if like the IRS is requiring me to report my income and pay my taxes as well?
How?
Do you think that's possible?
They could send you a letter, in which case you would respond to the letter and tell them why you're not required to pay taxes on the income. I've done that before
Oh,
successfully.
oh, so that can go well.
Yeah.
Yeah, because as you know, like speaking from my situation, if I'm assuming I'm based in Germany and all I have is a registered business in the United States, but not like any employees or things like that, I won't really have to pay taxes to the US income tax.
Yeah, you won't have to. I mean, I mean, that's the position that I take and that I explained why I think it works. I mean, at the same time, if your uncle is your uncle, right?
Yeah.
So if your uncle has to pay taxes in Germany, he's going to pay higher than he would pay in the U.S. So if he had to pay tax in the U.S., he could probably take a credit for these taxes in Germany, since he's going to be paying more taxes there.
Oh, okay. And you don't have to keep Germany in mind and not the United States because
Germany's more
it can
important
be
because he lives
politically.
there. You have to do everything, but Germany's more important because he lives there.
Yes, okay. And for the registered business, just to recap, all I have to fill out the 5472 form, I believe, correct?
Yes.
5472. And is there any other forms, maybe annual reports related?
Yeah, you have to file your annual reports in your state that you open the company.
Oh, okay. And do you guys help with that?
Yeah, we do both of those things for you. We open the companies, get all the tax IDs, help with opening the PayPal accounts, the merchant accounts, assist with the whole process.
Okay, sounds good. So what else? Okay, so I hope you guys can help me with this journey, and especially with the merchant accounts and the forms and things like that. I'll definitely get in touch with you guys soon in
Yeah,
case I.
sure. Yeah, let us know. I mean, we basically do all we do it all, or we don't really have like services where like you need help with just your PayPal account. Can we help you with this account? It's either we do it all or we kind of do just consultations, because we don't really get involved. It just doesn't fit our model to just help people with one thing, like part of the process.
Okay. Okay. I understand. Yes.
Okay, you have any other questions?
Yeah, I hope you can give me some time to think about them. Okay, so how about sales tax?
Sales tax is pretty important.
Yeah.
I don't know how it works in eBay, actually. That's really a good question. How does sales tax work in eBay? If you have a real store,
Yeah, well, in eBay, you'd have to the specific state. I think I'm not real sure though. The specific state your
oh, so it
business
says
is
eBay. Yeah,
registered to.
I'm looking at tax information on eBay. It looks like they do it for you. When you sell on eBay, you're responsible for complying with tax laws. If you're selling to buyers outside, you should let them know. Yeah, I think eBay pays the sales taxes for you. Internet sales. If you sell to buyers in the U.S., some states require you to collect sales tax on transactions. Starting November 2019, the way taxable transactions are processed and how taxes are collected will change as follows. In states where eBay is required to collect internet sales tax on buyers, they will include the sales tax for you. So it looks like eBay does it for you, so you don't have to do anything if you're only selling on eBay.
Okay, I see. Well, there's actually in some cases where you'd have to do it yourself, and that's including when you're tax exempt with your supplier, meaning you don't pay taxes or sales taxes when you ship out those products to the customers, when you purchase them for the customers. In that case, you would have to collect them for the customers, I believe.
I'm not sure. I'm telling you that when you sell, the sales tax should be paid when this on the sale to the ultimate consumer of the product. And
Yeah.
if you sell your products in eBay, eBay collects the sales taxes and does it all for you.
Okay. Yes. Okay, I see.
Just like
I
Amazon.
mean,
That's good. The big companies are just doing it for you.
yes, I understand. Okay, so just to recap about the income tax, uh, all I would have to, or in other words, all what my uncle would have to do is just file for Germany and not the United States.
Well, like we already mentioned, you have forms to file in the United States, but you definitely have to talk to them in Germany.
Yeah. Well, I'm referring to the income tax.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, that will have to be related with Germany again because
That's probably the only place to pay taxes if you want to be all up on the straight and narrow. Yeah,
yes, and that's because you don't really have any like dependent agent or employees or an actual physical address in the U.S.
correct.
Okay. Okay, I see. So I hope you can like give me a few minutes just so that I can remember any other questions I have in mind.
Okay, yeah, we have a couple minutes left. I see it's a half-hour call. We still just getting started.
Okay, so in case I've been doing this business for a while now, and PayPal have, just assuming PayPal have sent me this 1099 form or 1099K,
Yeah.
which is basically where PayPal have reported your income to the IRS.
There's sales, yes.
Yeah, your sales, and then you'd have to prove your you'd have to prove that's only your gross sales, not your net profit.
No, you tell them that you're not doing any business in the United States and that you're only using this account for payment processing.
Oh, okay. Yes, I see. I understand. So I would have to tell them that I don't really have any, I don't have like an actual address in the United States or employees.
Correct.
And how can I prove it to them?
How do you prove you don't have something?
Yes.
By not having it, I guess. You can't really prove that you don't have something. Like, how do I prove to you that I have no money? I just don't have any. You know how to? They have to. They would have to prove that. They would have to prove you wrong.
Oh.
You can't. There's no way to prove you have no employees, except by having no employees.
Oh, yeah. Yes.
I don't know. I don't know how you. I don't know how you effectively prove that.
Okay, I see. So how many minutes we have left?
Couple minutes. So when are you going to open the company? When are you thinking to do it?
Probably in soon. I'm not really sure exactly when. Just as soon as I understand how it works and things like that, so that I don't run in trouble in advance, especially when it comes down to accessing the merchant accounts in the long term. Okay,
Yeah,
so
yeah. I mean, you have to set it all up right and apply for everything the right way. Otherwise, it can be constant headaches.
yeah, of course. So I have another question. So setting up a merchant account, and most of the time they require a bank account.
Well, you need a bank account
Mm.
to send the money. A merchant account, you don't want to leave your money in there.
Yes. So, and what do you think of things like, you know, banks like TransferWise or
TransferWise isn't a bank.
Mercury?
Mercury
Yeah. It's,
Bank Mercury Bank's a bank. Man, my clients use it.
oh, okay. So, what's your opinion on Mercury? TransferWise is not actually a bank. It
You
acts
can
like
use
a
it.
bank.
TransferWise is a way to transfer money. It's cool and it works. Mercury Bank is
Okay.
cool. It works. It's a bank.
Yes. So I've heard that. So can I use Mercury for my business?
Yeah.
Okay. And is there a card that comes with it?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Okay, and you've said that you can help with you do offer services such as opening a merchant account.
Yeah, well, in our main service, we open the company, we get the tax IDs for the company, get it for yourself, and we have a second call after all that's ready, and then on that call we open all the accounts together, credit cards, merchant accounts, and then we go
Okay.
through it, and then we can assist with any other questions that they have in the meantime, because sometimes they ask for verification documents, and sometimes you have to send the ITIN documents when we get them, but we don't get them right away. So yeah,
Yes,
we
yes.
we do the whole thing.
Yes, you could help with like the business information and things like that.
Yeah, of course. That's
True?
exactly what
Yeah.
we do is we help people like yourselves get set up with the right kind of company for them and the right way, and then also open all the accounts the right way, and then also help you with any questions so that you're confident that everything's set up right and you can just continue focusing on your business.
Yes, and what do you like? In what country you primarily would help with? United States, correct?
Yeah, I'm a United States tax expert, so we're all of my clients, people I talk to, like yourself included, want to have companies here. So I work in the United States and I open the companies here and I open the things
Yes, I
here.
understand. And you, yeah, I would want to have I would need an ITIN as well, which stands for individual identification,
Yeah,
tax number.
yeah, that's included right now in our like basic service.
Oh, you offer that as well. Cool.
Yeah,
Okay. And do you help with
really, it's everything you need. Everything you need to do this, we help
and
and
how do you
assist
deal
with.
with, how about when like PayPal asks for your personal verification? This can be your proof of address.
Yeah, we help with that. Sure, we do what we can. Obviously, we don't work for PayPal, but we give them information that usually works and documents that usually work, and go from there.
Oh, yes. Okay.
Really, our service is
So
here to help you just get everything done and started so that you can just get back to focusing on your business and making more sales and better ads and stuff like that.
yes, and can you guide me on in case PayPal like sent me out a form that's related to reporting my income to the IRS, as
Sure.
what I previously said. Just guide me on how I can, pass this. Because again,
Yeah, I already did. I mean, I told you that you just have to tell them that you don't have any, not doing business here. You have to go through that.
okay,
If you wanna work with us and and that happens, if you decide to work with us and use our services and that happens, then I can do it for you.
okay, okay, sounds good.
Okay. So definitely let me know if you do need help and you're tired of researching this yourself, you just want to get it set up and over with, and I'm happy to help.
Yes, thanks a lot.
Otherwise, best of luck.
Thanks, man. And I have one. mm, Are your clients using, Mercury to verify the merchant accounts like Stripe or PayPal? Do your
Yeah.
clients do that?
You, some use Mercury, but you don't need a bank to verify. You need a bank to send money. Like you can't, you can spend money from PayPal if you want to just leave it in there, but most people don't. It's just just connect the account. Yeah, but you can connect it.
Oh, okay. Yes, yes. I see. Thank you. Thank you,
Okay.
James. Appreciate
No,
it. Yes.
thank you. Appreciate your time. Okay, so that call was really interesting. There was some gaps in there, but I think that the strategy of using his uncle might work, but the uncle has to be aware that he might be on the hook for some taxes in Germany. So it's a tricky situation, but I think I did my part and helped them educate them from the U.S. side. Now they need to talk to their experts and get some info from the German side. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Also, if you like the video, please give me that thumbs up. Scroll up, it's like right under the video. Press the little thumbs up. It helps me, and if you watched to this part, I appreciate it. And don't forget to subscribe so you can see the next time I make a video like this. And if you want to have a call with me, I'm still doing free calls just like this. You can click the link below in the description and schedule a call. Looking forward to speaking with you, and thank you for your time today. Have a great day.